Good evening, everyone. મિત્રો, જ્યોતિના પરિવારજનો, જ્યોતિર્મય સપ્તકનો આજે 5મો દિવસ છે. આજની સંગીતમય સાંજની શોભા અને સુંદરતા વધારવા અત્યંત બેઠેલા મહાજનોમાં હું એ લોકોને સ્ટેજ પર આવવા આમંત્રિત કરું છું. શ્રી વજુભાઈ વાળા, અધ્યક્ષ ગુજરાત વિધાનસભા, આપ સ્ટેજ પર આવો દીપ પ્રાગટ્ય માટે. શ્રી મોહન ઝા, કમિશનર ઓફ પોલીસ રાજકોટ. શ્રી પદ્મનાભ સર, કમિશનર સેન્ટ્રલ એક્સાઇઝ. શ્રી કિશોરભાઈ માલદાર, શ્રી અનિલભાઈ માલદાર, શ્રી પંકજભાઈ માલદાર, શ્રી રમેશભાઈ માલદાર, શ્રી સદેભાઈ જાડેજા અને શ્રી પરાક્રમસિંહ જાડેજા, જ્યોતિના પરિવારના સભ્યો. પ્લીઝ કમ ટુ ધ સ્ટેજ ટુ લાઇટ ધ લેમ્પ્સ, પ્લીઝ. હું શ્રી કુંવરજીભાઈને પણ આમંત્રિત કરું છું, સંસદ સભ્ય. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. આજે 5મો દિવસ છે, એનો અર્થ એમ નહીં કે તાલીઓ ઓછી પડે ભાઈઓ. Thank you, all the dignitaries. Thank you once again. I'd like to introduce Pandit Shri Vishwamohan Bhatt. I think my 5 minutes would be, in fact, not justify the kind of achievements that Pandit Ji has been able to achieve in such a short span of his fantastic, illustrious career. He is the creator of the Mohan Veena and the winner of Grammy Award. And ladies and gentlemen, if the records are right, he is the first Indian to win the Grammy Award. Give him a big round of applause. Pandit Shri Vishwamohan has mesmerized the world with his pristine, pure, delicate, yet fiery music. It is due to Panditji's maiden mega effort that he rechristened guitar as Mohan Veena. His genius creation and has established it at the top of most levels in the mainstream Indian classical music scenario, thereby proving the essence of his name, Vishwa, meaning the world, and Mohan, meaning the charmer, and indeed a world charmer he is. Being the foremost disciple of Pandit Sri Ravi Shankar, Pandit Sri Vishwamohan belongs to that elite body of musicians which traces its origin to the Mughal Emperor Akbar's court musicians Tansen and his guru, the Hindu mystic Swami Haridas. Pandit Sri Vishwamohan Bhatt has attracted international attention by his successful Indianization of the Western Hawaiian guitar, with his perfect assimilation of sitar, sarod, and veena techniques. By giving it an evolutionary design, shape, and adding 14 more strings, helping him to establish the instrument, the Mohan Veena, to unbelievable heights. With blinding speed and faultless legato, he is undoubtedly one of the most expressive, versatile, and greatest slide player in the world today. Being a powerhouse performer, Pandit Shri Vishwamohan's electrifying performance always captivates the audience, whether it is in the United States, Europe, Gulf countries, or his own motherland India. Pandit Shri Vishwamohan has become the cultural ambassador of India by carrying the Herculean task of glorifying and popularizing Indian culture and music throughout the world. Outstanding features of Panditji's Baj, which is style, are his natural ability to play the Tantrakari Ang and incorporates the Gayaki Ang on Mohan Veena, which is the greatest advantage of this instrument over traditional Indian instruments like sitar, sarod and veena. It is no surprise that Pandit Shri Vishwamohan, with his sheer virtuosity and limitless supply of melodies, won the highest music award of the world, the Grammy Award in 1994, along with Rai Kuder for their music album called Meeting by the River, enhancing his celebrity status not only as a star performer but also as an improviser and a soulful composer. Pandit Shri Vishwamohan has performed extensively in United States, Russia, Canada, UK, Germany, Spain, France, Italy, Netherlands, the list goes on, Belgium, Scotland, Switzerland, Denmark, then scaling the Gulf of Dubai, Al Sharjah, Bahrain, Muscat, Abu Dhabi, and throughout India. And I'm not counting, ladies and gentlemen, 51 other countries. Okay, now that gives us some idea of what he's achieved in his career. I think it is important that I should talk about his invention that he's done, which is called the Mohan Veena. I'm sure there are enough people around here who understand the intricacy of the instrument. The Indian stringed instruments have undergone many changes throughout the history. Many Western musical instruments like violin, harmonium, mandolin, archtop guitar, and electric guitar have come to be accepted in Indian classical music scenario today. Pandit Shri Vishwamohan Bhatt has developed and named this hybrid slide guitar and has been added to the list of Indian classical instruments. The Mohan Veena is a highly modified Concord archtop which Panditji plays in a lap style. It has 19 strings altogether, 3 melody strings, 3 drone strings coming out of the peg heads, and 12 sympathetic strings to tuners mounted to a piece of wood added to the side of the neck. The melody strings are on what we would consider the treble side of the neck, and the drone strings are on the bass side. The drone strings are lower in the height than the melody strings to allow for unrestricted playing of the melody strings. The sympathetic strings run underneath the melody and the drone strings to yet another level in the bridge. The instrument has carved a spruce top, mahogany back and sides, mahogany neck, and a flat, fretless rosewood fingerboard. The Mohan Veena is under tremendous tension. This would be interesting to know for others who are slightly technically oriented. The Mohan Veena is under tremendous tension. The total strings pull to be in excess of 500 pounds of pressure. It is due to this high tension, the tone turns incredible with the sympathetic ringing out and strengthening each note played. This, in fact, this is something very interesting about this instrument. It is a loud instrument made to cut through with low amplification. A little bit of a mention about Panditji's awards. There's a long list that we had, and Panditji suggested that you don't have to go through all of them, but to mention a few. He received an honorary citizenship of USA in 1989 in Maryland. He's an honorary citizen of Canada, which he received in 1990 in Toronto. He, as I said, Grammy Award in 1994 in New York. He also has a very rare award, which is called the Musical Scientist Award, conferred on him in 1996 in Bangalore. Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1999 in New Delhi. Padma Shri Award in 2002 in New Delhi. And he just asked us to add a very interesting award that has been given to him. He's an honorary doctorate from St. Petersburg, Russia, which recently was received by him. Bus. Sir, do baki hai. Rajasthan Ratna Award in 2013 and Star of India Award in 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. Accompanying him is Himanshu Mahant on tabla. Himanshu Mahant took training of Banaras Gharana initially from his father Pandit Balkrishna Mahant and then Pandit Kishan Maharaj. Himanshu's tabla is a combination of traditional tabla of Banaras Gharana along with the synchronization of modern playing style. His playing include mesmerizing combination of speed, sound production and presentation of difficult composition. He's regularly doing solo and accompaniment concerts with renowned artists all across India and overseas as well. He has given numerous memorable performances around the world, and just to name the few, Australia, Europe, US, Thailand, France, Belgium, Kuwait, Pakistan. And his performances are soulful and enthralling and elevate the listeners to the realm of ultimate infinite space. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to both of them